How to create table of contents in Google Docs. So to start, we'll have to open a sample Google document, and then in here, we'll have to type the contents for our table of contents. So in here, as an example, I'm gonna type introduction, and then summary, and then about the company. So if you want to make the font bold, all you need to do is to highlight the text, and then in here, we'll have to tap on this bold option. And then before we can create or make this one as a table of contents, the first thing that we need to do is to add the header for this text. To do that, we'll have to highlight the text and then tap on this option, normal text, and then in here, we'll have to choose the header. And then after that, you will have to repeat the process on the remaining text. So in here, I'm just gonna select the header 2, and then the last one, I'm going to select header 3. After that, we'll have to place our cursor where we want to insert our table of contents. So as for me, I'm gonna place my cursor here, and then after that, we'll have to tap on this insert option, and then in here, we'll have to scroll down and tap on this table of contents. In here, you will be given 3 choices. As for me, I'm just gonna select the second one, and as you can see, it automatically inserted a table of contents. So that's how easy we can create or make a table of contents in Google Docs. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one!